www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2007 Dodge 2500 Laramie Crew Cab Long Bed Cummins Diesel with 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, riding on a nice set of Michelin's. With adjustable pedals, power leather seating, CD player, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, bed liner and towing package with PW, PDL, and PM. Designed with comfort and richness, it's no wonder this Lariat has a best-in-class rating. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay